Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to wash your wigs. You're gonna need a wig stand, a gentle shampoo and conditioner, a wide tooth comb, and a clean towel. Before we start washing, let's detangle the wig. You can place your wig on your wig stand. I find it easy to just hold my wig in my hands, but if it makes your life easier to put it on your wig stand, just go ahead and do so. Place the wig on your wig stand and gently comb it through with a wide tooth comb. This will help to prevent the tangles from getting worse while washing. Now let's get to washing. Fill a basin with lukewarm or cool water. I prefer lukewarm because it seems to lift the dirt and grease out of the hair more easily. You can use this method with straight hair, curly hair, lace front human hair wigs. In fact, I wash pretty much all my wigs this way except for my synthetic wigs, but that's a topic for another video. I'm using Aussie Total Miracle shampoo and conditioner today, but honestly these aren't my favorite. I originally got them for my natural hair, but since I still have them, I'm just gonna use them to wash my wigs. To shampoo your wigs, add a small amount of shampoo to the basin or directly to the wig and gentle massage into the hair, including the lace and the cap. This is where the smell and sweat from your head can accumulate, so it's important to wash this area to get rid of any unpleasant odors. Then you're going to rinse the shampoo thoroughly with cool water. Repeat this process about 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. This will ensure that all the dirt and grease and odor are removed from the wig. After shampooing, I like to add a deep conditioning treatment to my wig. I use a mixture of Affinity Keratin 2-minute reconstructor, coconut oil, and argan oil. After applying this to the hair, you can let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, but I usually let it sit overnight. Do what works best for you. I'm just showing you what I do. On the next day, rinse out the deep conditioning treatment, then apply some conditioner to the wig and rinse it out. This will help to ensure that your wig smells fresh and clean. Once you've rinsed out the conditioner, gently squeeze out the excess water. Place the wig on a clean towel to air dry. Avoid using hair dryer as the heat can damage the wig fibers. When the wig is almost dry, apply a leave-in treatment or conditioner. Today I'm using a tiny bit of argan oil and some moisture whip styling souffle. You can also just use some leave-in conditioner, but this is what I have on hand at the moment. Place the wig on a clean towel to air dry or on a wig stand if you prefer. I have the wig stand I'm using linked in my description. And that's it. Washing your wigs is pretty easy, but it's important to use gentle products and avoid harsh chemicals. By following these simple steps, you can keep your wigs looking their best for years to come. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, share this video with a friend who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.